This video will have a quick demo of the EtherCAT capabilities in my CNC and the things we're currently working on. So here we're going to run through some G-code file. The file is pretty much arbitrary. This one is just consistent of a few sample parts that we have in our software. And when we finish running through this file, we'll take a closer look at it. So here, if we see the actual path versus the theoretical ideal path, we'll see that there's quite a bit of difference on this particular file. We'll see that the corners have been smoothed. This is due to probably either the acceleration values being too high or perhaps the PID not being fully tuned. Point is, this is quite an extreme example of the difference between the real and the theoretical or target position. And again, this could be due to the servos not being tuned properly. For instance, again, perhaps the accelerations are too high or there's not enough torque, etc. And this allows us to quickly take a look at the files as they are and to adjust the servos or their settings. Here in the settings, we also have our new EtherCAT window with the actual position, the deviation from the position, error codes, etc., attached to different motors. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for further updates.